Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin from Century Martial Arts and Team Paul Mitchell. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the looping figure eight. This move is really good for competitions. It's one of the most used nunchuck spins out there. There's so many different variations and way to use it in a form, so it's definitely one that you want to know. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is how you do it. First step is just going to be a basic spin, okay? We're going to start off with one hand, and then eventually we're going to add the other hand in. But it's important that you start off with one, so you have your basics down first. So the first step that we're going to do, we're going to take our right hand, we're going to start spinning it to the right side. Nunchuck is going to be in front of our body, our hands are going to be close to the chain or the string. Okay, now from here, we're going to take this and we're just going to do a spin coming to the back. Notice that the nunchuck is still spinning towards the right. That's very important. So let's go back to the first step. Ready? And first step here. And second step. Okay, this next step is the most important step of the whole entire spin. And this is the loop. That's why it's called a looping figure eight. We're going to take our wrist and we're going to flip it to the back just like this. So now my nunchuck is pointing towards the front and and the spinning part of the chuck is towards the back, okay? So from the top, it goes spin number one, spin number two, number three, which is a loop, and now we bring it back to the front. And if you can do that, that is the move with one hand. So fast, it'll go one, two, loop, back. Here, loop. Here, loop. From there, we do the same exact thing with our left hand. So we're gonna go starting out now towards the left. We're gonna go switch to the back, just like the first hand. We're gonna loop it, and now back to the front. And that's the whole entire thing. Now, you put them together. So we have our left hand starting towards the left, or spinning towards the left. Our right hand is spinning down, okay? So now, we're gonna do the same steps that we did before, but we're gonna put them together. So I'm gonna loop and turn. Loop and turn, loop, turn, just like that. All right, that is the drill. There's a lot of different variations that you can do. Probably the most used nunchuck spin out there. Really great for competitions. It's gonna make you look super fast, super clean. You can always add a spin to it like this. When you're doing a form, you can bring it up. You can bring it down low, fast, add a couple spins. There's so many different variations that you can do with it. So I hope you go practice it. Thank you guys.